Hey guys, what's going on? We got a little different video for you guys here today. Obviously, we're not cutting any overgrown lawns or tall grass or anything like that. We actually got a decent amount of snow that we've been waiting on for a little while. I've had this snow blower probably for a couple months, but haven't been able to use it because just haven't had any snow. Weather's actually been pretty decent this year. A few cold days, but you know, usually you're in the 40s or 50s, at least a few days a week, but hey, I'll take it. I love doing a little bit of snow work. So this here is the Cub Cadet snow blower. They sent it to me to try out, so that's what I'm doing here today. I will do another video probably next week on kind of going over all the features of this machine. It is a pretty cool machine. It's got a lot of features to it. But like I said, I'm going to make a more in-depth video next week on all the features and kind of go through the machine and let you guys kind of see it a little bit. But so this video right here is just me trying to help a few people trying to get their driveway cleared off. We actually ended up doing like 10 or 11 driveways this day, and I'll have another video probably next week as well of some more snow blowing footage. But this one here, it was fun. I love getting out, like I said, doing this kind of stuff as long as you can stay warm. And I love trying new products out and doing things like that. So really do hope you guys enjoy the video. And like I said, stay tuned next week. We'll have a couple more snowblower videos, and then hopefully here really soon we're going to start getting back outside when the weather kind of changes just a little bit. I think we're just a few weeks away from doing some more cleanups, getting the landscape done at my house, things like that. So please stay tuned. We got a big year planned. Hope you guys enjoy this one though. Alright guys, so real quick, I just want to introduce you guys to the Cub Cadet. It's a 30-inch EFI, 2-stroke, 2-stage snow blower, 357 cc's of power. This thing's a beast, man. That was the first time I've actually used it. Just trying to get used to all the controls, trying to get used to, it's actually pretty fast if you want it to be, but I wasn't trying to go too fast. I'm just trying to get used to everything. I had to adjust these blue things down here, kind of set your height. So the first time I did it, you know, we were leaving just a very small amount of snow. So I lowered it, had a little bit of trouble with hitting kind of uneven stuff on the driveway. So just trying to find what's going to work best for us. And I did raise them up just a little bit, and it did work a little bit better.
As you guys can tell, it got it really nice and clean. So I'm excited. We actually got some snow today. So we're gonna go out, we're gonna try to knock out as much stuff as we can. We're gonna offer a free snow blowing service to anybody in need. And we're gonna go from there, and hopefully we can get it in the back of the truck. That's the only thing that we might have a little bit of trouble with, is getting it in the back of the truck. But we're gonna give it a shot. So let's go have some fun.
Can't see him. What's up, Joe?
first day with the Cub Cadet. Man, that thing is a beast. I love it. I thought it did a really good job. Some of the stuff we went through was pretty thick. Some of the stuff was like up to my knees, just kind of where the drifts are at and kind of where everything was settling. But I thought it did really good. Once we got the kind of the depth figured out on the front of it, it did really well. On one of them we had it too low, so it kept kind of hitting the concrete. The other one we had it kind of too high, and it wasn't getting quite as low. But once we played with it for a little bit, it worked out really well. And then, you know, we figured out if we just go over it really quick twice, it left a really good finish. And man, this thing it's an awesome machine. Pretty cool. I've never had a snowblower like this. I've only used the little bitty snow blowers back in the day when I worked for another lawn care company. But this one here is awesome. I appreciate Cub Cadet sending this to me and letting me try it out. I really did like it, and we're gonna shoot some more videos with it. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see y'all later.